Hey there, and welcome to Sell Your Home in Irvine, California. In this video, we're talking about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. Now, give me a second to switch over to my laptop. Today's video is answering the question, should I leave room for negotiation when pricing my home? Yes, it is important to be realistic when determining a price for your home. A common mistake is to price it a few $1,000s higher, and maybe that's just human nature for the seller to want the most money and the buyer to buy for the least. But here's the thing to think about. Buyers may think your home is overpriced and offer low, or they may not offer at all. Remember that there's a selling curve. And if your home stays on the market much more than 30 days, it has a much slimmer chance of selling because buyers will assume there's something wrong with it. So price it well from the start. That doesn't mean you have to price it too high to leave room for negotiations. Just price it well. Your best opportunity to sell will be within the first 30 days. And if you remember nothing else from today's video, remember this: a home will always sell within 2 weeks of being priced right. So price it well and be prepared for a little healthy negotiation. This could make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for the most do-re-mi. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining us. My name is Remy, like do-re-mi. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about selling your home in South Orange County, we are standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. We look forward to chatting with you soon.